Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Sharon Price John. She is the CEO at Build-A-Bear. Sharon, never gets old talking to you. Thanks for joining me again on Floor Talk.
Judy, thank you for having me. I always enjoy being here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange.
Yes, great. So now, Sharon, you're here today. You reported your third quarter fiscal year 2023 results today. Tell me, what were the key takeaways?
Yep, the key takeaways were that we reported actually for the third quarter and the first 9 months record-breaking results. However, we did see some softness in the last 2 weeks of the third quarter for the fiscal time period for us, not unlike a lot of reported consumer softness in spending, and that persisted a little bit through until November, although we've seen an upturn in the last couple of weeks, but that caused us to do some revision on our guidance. That guidance, however, still includes an expectation that we will have a third record-breaking year in a row.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the new Bearlieve bear, which you're holding in your hand right now.
Yes, he's joining us today. I don't know if you can hear him responding.
So cute.
Yeah.
So that's the hit this holiday season. And it's also the first interactive bear that's tied to Build-A-Bear's Glisten and the Merry Mission movie.
Yes.
Tell me about this.
So Glisten and the Merry Mission is a long-term project that we've been working on that has resulted in our first animated theatrical release. Now, we did not originally envision it being a theatrical release, but we worked with Cinemark to create a real marketing catalyst for the company. All of the marketing and everything that we've done in association with this has generated over 4 billion impressions to date. Pretty remarkable, and puts us in a top of mind awareness as we go into the important holiday season. You might recall Glisten, and here's Glisten and our Merry Mission. That whole product line we introduced some years ago, and it's been our very best-selling product line and collection during the holidays since its induction.
Mm-hmm. All right, so talk to me more about your entertainment division. I'm hearing Bearlieve talk.
Yeah, he's very excited.
So talk to me more about your entertainment division and how you're using toy lines to create engaging movie experiences.
It's important for companies like Build-A-Bear who have intellectual property and character arcs and story arcs to share those with consumers and guests. And this is just a catalyst for us to be able to do that. Being able to communicate with kids, particularly through the construct of content, is a growing initiative for a lot of toy companies, and Build-A-Bear is no different. And they're utilized in multiple ways. They might inform the marketing. It gives you a great tool to create really engaging consumer marketing assets. Our marketing assets for the entire holiday season range from being inside of our Roblox Tycoon game with 12.5 million users. You can go in and see a trailer for Build-A-Bear inside the game, all the way to our stores being transitioned into Santa's workshops for the season, with Glisten making appearances and all of our bear builders being dressed up like elves. So we're really using it to bring the entire film and the creative to life. And we think that that does increase engagement with our guests over time. The sales associated with products that are inspired by the film are up this season already, and we're just now getting into the core of the holiday time period. And this particular bear, which is our first interactive bear, that literally comes to life at the stuffing station, which is a signature asset of what we do, as the child is stuffing it. And we instruct our bear builders to encourage the children to say, I believe, and his eyes open and his ears wiggle, and all of a sudden you have a living, breathing teddy bear.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. So, Sharon, tell me, what are the holiday trends that you're seeing? Like, what are the hot items at Build-A-Bear right now?
Well, as I mentioned, a lot of our holiday items are doing quite well. We always have some terrific products associated with our kidulting trend, which is a big discussion today in the media about kids who are adults who haven't quite completely grown up, which I never encourage. For a lot of that is associated with licensed products. So that's representing sort of like our Hello Kitty line with Sanrio, all the way to our Stitch products as an example with our Disney line. But we also have a lot of gifting and personalization products that people love. And Glisten, if you can just hold the Bearlieve bear for a second here, that is inclusive of products where people work to personalize items. And we have an amazing way for you to create products. So see, I here created a product for you, Judy.
Oh,
Don't you think this looks a little bit
I think
like
it actually
you?
looks like
With-
us.
Yeah, with the glasses and everything. And what's so neat, and I'll see if she'll talk to us, you can put your own personalized message inside of a Build-A-Bear, which makes it really unique. It's a very special point of difference for our product lines. But you get to share. Let me see if you can.
Judy, happy holidays from Build-A-Bear.
So she said, "Hi, Judy's. Happy holidays from Build-A-Bear."
Sharon, I love her. Happy holidays, and thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Always a pleasure.